Hello and welcome to R4 Creations. My name is Ashley and I'm going to show you today how to make a family blanket. So let's get started. So first we're going to go to the projects on the Cricut design space and we're going to search for family blanket. And once you search for it, it's going to come up with several results. So it has a lot of great results pulling up, but ultimately we're going to choose the one at the top. And on here it shows you the description, everything you'll need, and actually how to assemble it. So if you're a beginner, this would be great for you to actually try. So when you look on here, it's actually grouped together, so we're going to detach it. And when you look at the last name, the Farland last name, it's welded together. So before I delete it, I'm going to start a new text box with the last name that I want to use. And we're going to use this text right here, the Bell medium. So type in the last name, and then we're going to go to font and type in that font name. I'm just going to bring it over the Farland and stretch it out to about the same size if possible. Get it as snug as possible and change the color to white like the rest of the text. And actually I'm going to change the last name. Make it capitalized MC, and the rest lowercase. Alright. Stretch that back out. And now that I have where I want it to be, I'm going to remove the Farland last name by deleting it. To make sure that it's centered, oopsie on that one, you're going to click the text one by one by holding down the shift button and then click align, and then we're going to look for distribute vertically just to make sure that everything is centered properly. And that's it for the designing. Just make sure you attach it and then save it, because I've had several times where I had went straight to the project and something happened with the machine or my computer screen closed down and try to go back to it and it wasn't there. So always make sure you save it, so if it does happen you can at least go back where you left off. So let's go to the prepare screen by clicking make it at the top. And since we're doing HTV on this project vinyl, we're going to click mirror and then hit continue, and I'll see you when it's time to weed.